presentation, we investigated the basic meanings of both living and learning, and then related the terms living and learning to UK's College of Education. The UK College of Education bases their foundation for teaching their students off of the quote, research and reflection for learning and leading. Living in the most basic form deals with the self-sustaining and existence aspects of life. Communication also makes living possible. When applying the term living to the College of Education, the interaction between faculty and students, the social aspects of education, and communication are all required for educating. These are ways the college uses the basic forms of life to succeed. The learning process includes the act of acquiring knowledge, personal development in many ways, learning appropriate behavior, and most importantly, the student-teacher interactions students experience throughout their whole schooling career. Learning in the College of Education includes the aspects of following an organized curriculum, reasoning, learning with predetermined exercises, and the development of knowledge and personality. The basic teaching process works through the combination of sharing knowledge from the instructor to the student, experience in instruction and relationships between fellow students, and seeing results through educational progress. When researching the College of Education, they focused on teaching through the knowledge invested into each student, instructing the students to increase their experience and their intellect, and they have a strong curriculum for the students in the program to follow. Communities are created when there is a common factor in between certain people. Whether it is location, language, religion, or personality, a community consists of commonalities. The social interactions that occur bring the community closer together, and then the community begins to act in ways that will benefit the entire group instead of a certain individual. The College of Education provides different groups that education students can become a part of in order to connect to other students similar to them and create a community. Some of these include Kappa Delta Pi, the student ambassadors of the College of Education, the Kentucky Association for Early Childhood Educators, and Kentucky Educational Association, which is a student-run program. These programs, or communities, give students a chance to make connections and interact with students with similar ambitions.
Humanism, in its most basic form, focuses on human values and follows a human-centered philosophy. Design examples of humanism include functional interiors and ergonomics, because both focus on the human and the way they interact with the space and the objects in the space. The College of Education supports humanism because they state that it is part of their mission to provide for the improvement of the education, health, and well-being of citizens. This means the College of Education wants to benefit everyone they interact with or influence in any way, and that they center their teachings on the benefit of the human. As humans, there are 4 methods we use to communicate with others. The first way being using technology. This would include computers, cell phones, email, and social networks. The second method we use to communicate is through interaction with each other. This would be our hand motions, facial expressions, and other body language we use daily. The third way is bilinguistics. This includes using words and sentences to talk to each other. The fourth and final method we use to communicate is cognitively. This includes being able to understand, read, and predict the emotions of others. It also includes being able to remember certain facts or people. At UK, the College of Education communicates by instruction given to all the students in order to become better educators themselves, and also by the way they manage their program to provide excellent education to the students of the College of Education. As a basic term, curriculum can either be educational or non-educational. Curriculum used by instructors and institutions is educational. They plan it out to provide certain information at specific times. This curriculum is student-based, and the experience and design of the curriculum greatly affects the way that students learn and receive the information. On the other hand, curriculum used by parents or primary caregivers is non-educational. It may be planned, but it does not require exercises and exams for you to learn. Things like this would include learning to tie your shoes and being polite at the dinner table. The College of Education incorporates their curriculum through educational ways by means of research, development, and leading. Students must research new ways of learning, develop plans of relaying information and instructing their future students, and/or as any example for others to follow. There are many ways in which our environment can be improved in regards to our living and learning settings. As we can already see, living and learning communities are being incorporated into UK, and more will be designed in the future. These communities will strengthen the bond between the students. Also, because of the living and learning community, students can come together and work on new ideas together to better our university in the future. The College of Education will continue to gather research to design new and more focused curriculum, ideas, and also continue working on new developments and learning programs, such as special learning programs for students who have special educational needs. All of these aspects that affect the way in which we live and learn make us question, how can we design interiors to help educate students more efficiently and make it easier to learn?